We must build dikes of courage to hold back the flood of fear. Forgiveness is not an occasional act, it is a constant attitude. The time is always right to do what is right. Faith is taking the first step even when you don't see the whole staircase. Our lives begin to end the day we become silent about things that matter. Peace is not merely a distant goal that we seek, but a means by which we arrive at that goal. We are not makers of history. We are made by history. We must accept finite disappointment, but never lose infinite hope. People fail to get along because they fear each other. They fear each other because they don't know each other. They don't know each other because they have not communicated with each other. No person has the right to reign on your dreams. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. If I cannot do great things, I can do small things in a great way. If a man has not discovered something that he will die for, he isn't fit to live. If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. Seeing is not always believing. There is some good in the worst of us and some evil in the best of us. But I know, somehow, that only when it is dark enough can you see the stars. I have a dream that one day little black boys and girls will be holding hands with little white boys and girls. Life's most persistent and urgent question is, what are you doing for others? Every man must decide whether he will walk in the light of creative altruism or in the darkness of destructive selfishness.